breaking news that's coming in. Let me quickly just take our viewers through that. Viewers, what we are learning at this point of time is that the Amazon unit has been hit in the UAE, and this is what Reuters has to come out to report. Reuters has come out to say Amazon's cloud unit reports fire after objects hit the UAE data center on March 1st. And they have opened a new cloud unit, AWS, and they've said on Sunday that power to its data center in the UAE was in fact shut down temporarily after objects struck the facility, triggering sparks and a fire. Remember, viewers, when we speak of objects, there is debris that's also falling on the ground from the intercepted missiles and drones in the very region. A lot of these visuals have also been coming in from different regions in West Asia, and this seems to be one such incident. That is what has hit this particular Amazon cloud unit. The UAE is reeling from Iran's retaliatory missile and drone strikes following the United States and Israeli attacks on Iran. The Iranian strikes hit airports, ports, residential areas across the country and the wider Gulf. This is the latest we are learning.
There seems to be no end to the attack from the Iranian side on UAE, and in the latest what we're learning is that an Amazon unit has been hit in the UAE. This is as per Reuters. So Amazon's cloud unit reported fire after objects hit UAE data center on March 1st. And remember, drones were also seen flying freely in UAE. So clearly Iran is not backing down, and in fact it continues to intensify its attack on UAE.